All right, here we go. History. I know, I wish we were together on this. I love your expressions, and as we have questions and you guys ask different thought-provoking questions as we're reading, but we're still trudging through. We completed chapter 10 checkup, numbers 1 through 10. Then we're going to do, did I say 1 through 10? Oh, why I numbered my paper 9? We'll go ahead and we're going to do 10 through 20, but I did 9 up here. So let's look at it together, and I will try these again. They were kind of fun. I'm just pretending anyway. Okay, number 8. Lillian, you are number 8, but we're looking at question number 9. Name the group of representatives who met to decide what to do about England's unfair treatment. A group of men, they met and they called themselves, starts with C and another C. Yes, Continental Congress. And I'm writing it down so I can show you, and then I can make certain that you are getting the answers correctly. All I'm wanting are the answers. Continental Congress. All right. And let's see. Oops. Ray, I dropped you. Sorry. Number 11. Number 11, that's Andy, right? Number 11, you're going to answer number 10. Who said, "Give me liberty or give me death"? His initials are PH. Yes, Patrick Henry. I bet you some of you really wish that you had the little pause button in class, as much as I think about having the mute button in class. All right, number 11 will be answered by Brock. Number 4. What were the colonists who wanted to be free from England's rule called? Remember, at one point, the colonists, some say, just leave the kingdom as it is. We're just gonna live life over here. But some of you that are some of the colonists who wanted nothing to do, we're done with the king. We're done with England. We need to be our own patriots, right? Not to be confused with the football team. All right, number 12. All right, number 12, you're going to answer this for me. No. Number 7. Number 7 is Zane. You're going to answer number 12. What were the colonists who remained loyal to England called? Do you remember? Loyalist, or there was another word. Tories. So, loyalist or Tories. Now, we're going through all 30 of these because you will have a test on it. And it will probably be an open book test. That's the only way I can figure would be a fair way to assess that you're learning and that you can put from one to the other. And I'll allow you to use the chapter checkup as well, okay? I will be delivering packages to you guys. Don't get too excited. There's no candy in them. It's just packets that Miss Jenny and I put together yesterday. Anyway. The test will be in there. Don't mess with the test until your mom and daddy give it to you, all right? But I'm thinking open book test. There won't be any kind of study guide. This is our study guide, the chapter 10 checkup. And then it'll be an open book test. How's that sound? Not bad? Okay. Ray's over there doing a dance. I don't have to memorize it because, you know, social studies is her and Violet, I think, least favorite subject, maybe? I don't know. Anyway, let's see who we've got happening here. Number 10, that's Alana. We are on number 13. It says, name the soldiers who said they could be ready to fight in a minute's notice. Right. Minutemen. Number 6, Juanito. Why, not why, what? What did Paul Revere and William Dawes do? What did they do? They ran across the countryside, and what were they saying? The British are coming! The British are coming! All right, so I am going to put, because you don't have to do a complete sentence, I'm just looking for the answers. For what we're going to put, rode horseback, alerting others. I'll put it in parentheses or quotation marks. All right. Good? All right. And I need number 9. Number 9. John Mark. We're on question 15. What happened at Lexington and Concord? Ooh, do you remember? The first battle of this War of Independence, or the American Revolutionary War, began. So we're going to put first battle. See, Biscuit even agrees. First battle of, let's put war of INDEP. We'll just leave it at that, independence. Okay, so this was the place, or the first battle, the War of Independence. Very good. Come on. You want to come up here? Yeah? Come on. All right, number 16. I need number 5 to answer that. Violet. So, what is a trench? Well, I would prefer if you go back in the book where it gives us some new terms or vocabulary so that we get the full thing. I'm kind of digging. Hang on. Hang on. What page is it on, Violet? Biscuit's trying to tell you the answer. It's on page 102. All right. Okay. So 102, is it going to tell me what it is? Surely. A trench. A trench is a hole or a ditch that's dug in the ground to protect soldiers from gunfire. You want to say hole in the ground? Or ditch. To protect soldiers from gunfire. All right, so I'm not certain that's very neat, but you get what we're looking for, right? A hole or a ditch that's dug in the ground to protect the soldiers from gunfire. Okay, so who do I have next? Number 2, Lily Phelps. What's up? All right, Lily, we're on question number 17. Name the commander of the American Army during the War for Independence. Name the commander, the one that was in charge. Do you remember? Yes, George Washington. So number 17, you're going to write George Washington. Apparently that is Biscuit's favorite president. All right, and let's see. Who do I have left here? Number 12. Number 12. Kellen, that's you. All right. During which battle did the colonists show the British that the Americans would not easily be defeated? Remember? They were showing that they were able to stop, and they were going to use whatever means necessary to win this war. That's how bad they wanted their freedom. That's how much it meant to them, okay? Yes, it is the Battle of Bunker Hill. The battle. Can you see her? Let's see. Oh, come here. The Battle of Bunker Hill. Come on. Oh, the Battle of Bunker Hill. Good? All right. Come on. She wants to get on the history lesson. There we go. All right. You got to pick a stick for me? Oh, yeah. We haven't heard from Ava today. Ava, number one. All right. We are on question 19. What important fort did Ethan Allen and the Green Mountain Boys capture? Oh my goodness. Tiagondra. I don't have my phone's being used right now. Oh man. Remember how we went over and over this? Fort Ticonderoga? Oh, Miss Taylor. D-E-R O-G-A. Fort Ticonderoga. All right, just spell it right. You're good? All right. And the last one is for number 3. Yay, Validia. Number 3 says, who were the Hessians? So that's the question you have to answer. Who were the Hessians? Do you remember? England was running out of money. They didn't have a lot to pay for the soldiers and the supplies, but they were going to hire a certain group. They were called the Hessians. All right? The Hessians were German soldiers who fought for England, or for the King George III. Okay? So German soldiers who were hired to fight for England. Good job. That's all for today. We have finished now questions 1 through 20, and I'm proud of you. And Biscuit says, see you later, bye.